Hi, I'm Bill Michael, and I'm very proud today to introduce the exciting new PowerA electronic control system from Ultraflex and Uflex. What makes this system so exciting is it's the most responsive system in the industry, and it's also the easiest to install and program. As you can see, the control is very precise in capturing the most subtle movement of the throttle levers, but it is also very fast in response to quick movements of the throttle, making the system very intuitive for first-time users. Gone are the days of having to learn to deal with the delayed responses that are so common in competing systems. Equally appealing to the performance of the PowerA is the ease of installation. Using this liquid crystal display and menu-driven programming module, which is an onboard component of the system, the installer can quickly and accurately perform the initial system setup. For example, the first screen asks me how many engines. I'll select one. Then it asks which acceleration curve I prefer. I have 4 different response ratios between the position of the lever and the amount of output from the actuators to choose from. I'll choose the curve that's most optimal for my engine and boat package, whether gas, diesel, outboard, 2-stroke, or 4-stroke. Then I'll press Save and Exit. The next component in the system is the shift actuator. I'll select the forward stroke setting by simply rolling out the stroke using the keypad. Once set, I'll hit OK and move to the neutral setting, and finally the reverse setting. After hitting Save and Exit, I'll go to the throttle actuator settings, which has the same programming process as the shift actuator that we just programmed. Once hitting Save and Exit, I have effectively completed the system setup. If I've made any errors in programming, or if I ever have any future operational issues, I can simply go to the liquid crystal display to tell me specifically which component needs attention. No more looking for flashing lights and listening to alarm sequence codes for programming and troubleshooting, which is a standard for competing systems. This can literally save hours of installation labor. Installation of the components is also simplified. The components are very compact in size, and using fitting matched and color-coded wiring, it is virtually impossible to connect the wrong cable into the wrong component. All components daisy-chain to each other, and the last actuator in the chain has a single communication cable that goes to the programming module. That same type of cable goes from the programming module to the first control head. Additional station installation requires only one cable that will carry the power and all communication signals for all features of the system, even for multiple engines. Other standard features of the PowerA include programmable high idle, docking mode, which limits the peak throttle output for safe docking, automatic synchronization, and warm-up. The system also has manual override capability by quickly dismounting the cable from the actuator using a quick pin and installing a T-handle to actuate the cables. For more information on the exciting new PowerA electronic control system,